Okay, hello everyone. Dean Howell here from GeoSpatial Connect. Welcome to today's webinar on products and projects through GeoSpatial Connect. Um, just as a quick reminder, um, Mondays is our events webinar, Tuesday is our services webinar, Wednesday is our job seekers webinar, Thursday products and projects, and Friday business coaching. So if you want to participate in any of those webinars, if you have a product or service you'd like to either promote directly yourself or you'd like for me to promote through these short webinars, then let me know. All right. Um, Today, I'll just put the name in here so people can find it. Connect webinar. Okay, so today we're going to look at some data and some aerial photography and a blogging tool. So they're the three things that we're going to look at. So let's move into that, and I'll just share my other screen. So I think it's that one I need to share. Okay, so we're on this one. So just as a recap, so when you're in GeoSpatial Connect, you've got this menu across the top here. And so in our eStore, we've got all our products, and in the projects, we have our projects area. So today, I've just clicked data and aerial photography. So they're the two things that we're going to look at here. And the Queensland Department of, let me get their name right, Mapping and Surveying Resources from the Land and Spatial Information Services section from the Queensland Government. They have a range of data and aerial photography that you can buy. So if you're a Queensland user of our website or a Queensland GIS professional needs some data, then why not purchase it through GeoSpatial Connect? So we've got a couple of data sets here. The one is to 10,000, one is to 5,000, one is to 2,500 map sheets, and it's all the topographic information for the state, and so you can buy it by the entire state at your selected scale. So if you're needing some quite detailed one, so the price is reasonably high, but you're getting the entire state at the scales that you're wanting. So either 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, or 25,000. So there's a lot of sheets there covering that topographic information. So let's just click on one of those a little more, and you can sort of see here the way it's applied. So it comes in the AS2482 format, normally on CD, but can be emailed. Although this sort of data set's probably, you're probably better off getting it on CD. All right, so so that's the data, high quality Queensland government data, and we'll go back, and and they also sell a whole series of historical aerial photography for the entire state, broken down into various areas. So Bundaberg, Brisbane, Beenleigh. You can buy individual aerial photos. You can get them enlarged. You can get them printed. All right, and there's even the flight diagram, so you can get specifically where you want. So let's have a look specifically at one of these data sets, the historical imagery. All right, so the historical aerial photography DVD series. So you can see Different dates listed here for Beenleigh 1955 to 2011, for Brisbane 1958 to 2009. So that, if you're doing some time series information, getting your data, so for over 50 years worth of data, you can get that aerial photography all for $154. So that's pretty good value. You can then use those aerial photographies in your GIS to as your backdrop, and use it to see how things have changed over time. So if you're looking at vegetation impacts, the impacts of urbanisation, those sorts of things. So the Queensland government have a huge range of data. So they've got maps, and they've got so let's just have a quick look at some of the other things that they have: administrative boundaries, aerial photography, digital data, mining exploration, elevation data. So there's just hundreds and hundreds of data sets that the Queensland government provide, and so some of those you can obtain through GeoSpatial Connect. If they're not listed on the GeoSpatial Connect website, just let us know, and we can obtain them for you. All right, so that's a little bit about the data and the aerial photography. So those two. So once again, if you have a product or service you'd like to promote, then just let me know. All right, we're more than happy to give it a quick plug, and then it'll be on the live webinar, but it'll also be available on the on our blog and on Facebook, on our YouTube channel. Put all that stuff up there so you can get access to it. All right, so speaking of our blog, all right, so we're just back here. Speaking of our blog, this is our blog, and so at blog.geospatialconnect.com, and this is where we put up our blogs about articles that I've written myself, promoting various conferences and seminars, our webinars, and events and things that surveys, things that you want, and you can even advertise here if you'd like as well. So this blog itself is we host it through a company called Empower Network, and for just $25 a month you can get your own customized blog. Now if you do it through GeoSpatial Connect and myself, Dean Howe, we'll actually help you set up your social profiling as well. So help you set up your Facebook profile to link to it, to your LinkedIn, your Google Plus, your YouTube channels, all those sorts of things, so they start to integrate. And having a blog for your business, one of the best things about a blog is that it keeps your information fresh. So many people think, oh yep, I have a website and it just has the same information. Now if it has the same information every time, people aren't going to continue to visit. So by having a blog, and you put something up there daily or every couple of days, a bit about yourself, a bit about your products, a bit about any specials that you've got going on, people will continue to visit and continue to come back. And that's what they're looking for, is they're looking for fresh information, informative information, and so they can find it quickly. And we find that through our blog, through the GeoSpatial Connect website as well. And so if you're interested in having your own personalized blog, certainly let me know. It just costs $25 a month, and you get a customized blog set up for you. You can then put your own logos, your own links, your own static pages. Even if you don't have a website, you can actually use the blog directly as your own website. And we're just about to release, as of tomorrow, it'll all be available via your mobile device. So you can shoot a quick video of something you're doing in the field, put it up to your blog immediately, and people can be seeing what you're doing straight away. No technical setup you needed, no advice that you needed, but I'm here to help. So if you want that, certainly just drop me a line. Let me know if you want your own customized blog. It doesn't have to be within GeoSpatial. It could be just for your individual company, for yourself, if you want to promote yourself, if you have some interest outside GIS. So so that's where we are today. I'm just going to switch back. Okay, so hopefully you found that reasonably informative. So we talked a little bit about some Queensland data, some aerial photography, some topographic data at various scales for the entire state, and you can purchase it on a per map basis and a per theme basis as well. So if you need that, certainly let me know. All right, so that's it for another day. I like to keep them short so you're not having to waste too much time of your day. But if you're interested in promoting your product or your service, or just want to be informed, then let me know. And as a recap, Monday is our events webinar. So if you have an event coming up, shoot me the details and I'll promote it for you. If you have a video, that's even better, and I'll play that video for you. If you want to present it yourself, you can do that. Just let me know. All right. Tuesdays is our services. So if you have a service you'd like to promote, that you provide consulting, or you make maps, or whatever, you provide training courses, then let me know. You can present yourself, you can send me a video, or I'll present it for you. Wednesdays is our job seeker coaching, so looking at interview coaching and mentoring, those sorts of things. Be involved. All right, jump on the webinar, ask me some questions, and I can see where I can help you. Thursdays, like we've just done, products and projects. If you've got projects that you need people for, let me know. I'll promote them on the website. You've got products that you've just launched. What a great way to just get it out there. You put it on our blog, we'll link it back to your website so people can find it. And then on Fridays is our business coaching. So tomorrow, our business coaching, we'll look at various aspects of setting up your small business and how to promote it, and all those sorts of things. So join us tomorrow, same time, 10:30 a.m. Adelaide time, for our daily blog series. And hope you enjoyed today's. I'll speak to you again soon. Have a great day. See ya.